In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the MailerLite drag and drop editor to create professional, beautiful emails without touching a single line of code. Whether you're running a small business newsletter or managing email campaigns for a growing audience, this visual editor is one of the most intuitive tools available for building engaging content block by block. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. First things first, you need to get into your MailerLite account. Open up your preferred browser and navigate to MailerLite.com. Once the page loads, click the login button in the top right corner. You'll be prompted to enter your email address and password. Go ahead and enter the credentials you used when you signed up. After you click the login button, you'll be taken directly to your MailerLite dashboard. This is your command center where you can manage subscribers, view statistics, and of course, create and edit your email campaigns. Take a moment to orient yourself here because you'll be coming back to this dashboard frequently. Now let's open or create an email campaign so we can get into the editor. On the left side of your dashboard, you'll see a vertical navigation menu. Click on Campaigns. This will bring up a list of all the emails you've already created, including drafts, sent campaigns, and scheduled ones. If you have an existing campaign that you want to continue editing, simply hover over it and click Continue Editing. But for this tutorial, let's start fresh. Click the bright Create Campaign button in the upper right corner. MailerLite will then walk you through a quick setup process where you choose your campaign type, typically regular for a standard newsletter, and fill in details like the campaign name, sender information, and subject line. Complete that setup and you'll land on the main campaign overview page. This is where you manage everything from audience segments to sending options. The key moment arrives when you're ready to design your email. On that campaign overview page, look for a button that says Edit Content, usually located near the email preview area. Click it, and MailerLite will load the drag and drop editor. This might take a few seconds, so be patient. Once it's fully loaded, you'll see a clean, organized interface. In the center of your screen is the email canvas. This blank white space represents what your recipients will actually see. On the left side, there's a sidebar packed with content elements. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this layout. The canvas is your workspace and the sidebar is your toolbox. Understanding where everything lives will make the entire design process feel effortless. Now comes the fun part, adding content blocks to build your email structure. In the left sidebar, click on the Elements tab. This opens up a library of blocks including text, image, button, divider, social links, and several others. These are the building blocks of your email. Start by browsing through the options, but don't overthink it yet. To add a block, simply click and hold your mouse on the element you want, then drag it over to the email canvas. Release the mouse button to drop it exactly where you want it to appear. You'll see the block snap into place. A best practice here is to start with the basic skeleton of your email, before worrying about colors, fonts, or images. For example, you might drag in a text block for your headline, then an image block, then a button block. This gives you a clear structure to work with, and you can always rearrange blocks later by dragging them to new positions. One common mistake beginners make is dragging too many blocks at once and getting overwhelmed. Instead, add just 2 or 3, adjust them, and then build from there. With your blocks in place, it's time to make them your own. Click directly on any element on the email canvas. You'll notice that selection brings up editing tools specific to that block. For a text block, you can type your message, change the font size, add bold or italics, and adjust alignment. For an image block, you can upload a new image from your computer or choose one from your MailerLite library. Buttons can be customized with your own label, a link URL, and even color styling. Take your time here. This is where your brand personality really shines. As you make changes, you'll see them update live on the canvas. When you're satisfied with a block, look to the upper right corner of the editor and click Done Editing. MailerLite will automatically save your changes so you don't have to worry about losing your work. A helpful tip, always preview your email by clicking the Preview button at the top. This shows you exactly what your email will look like on desktop and mobile devices. If something looks off, just click back into the block and tweak it. By now, you've built a complete, polished email using nothing but drag and drop. The MailerLite editor truly removes every technical barrier, letting you focus purely on your message and design. You can add more blocks, rearrange them, or duplicate a block to reuse a layout you like. Once you're happy, simply exit the editor and your campaign is ready to send or save as a draft. The best next step is to explore some of the pre-built templates available in MailerLite. They can give you a huge head start on future campaigns. Thanks for watching, and if you ever need to refresh your memory, just come back to this video or save it for later. Happy emailing!